Okay, so welcome back, everybody. This is Spice Technologies Worldwide, uh, and today I'm going to show you how to create a search box. During my previous video, I was explaining it to you about developer tab, which I showed you the coolest thing that I created myself, like a search box. So today I'm going to walk you through every step that I used to create the search box. So let's get started, and I hope you pay attention because we're going to do it a little quick. So let's get started. So this is our sheet that we are going to be extracting the result from. So we are going to create a search box in another sheet. So I'm going to add another sheet here, and I'm going to call it search search box here. So the second thing, I'm going to copy the header of this data that we are going to be using as our search contents, yeah, to generate the results. So I'm going to paste it here in a search box sheet. I'm going to put it this way. So last time I showed you how to adjust. So I'm going to do it a little quick. So just go with me, please. I'm going to entire column to output. So there, and I'm going to close this one. So you see it's already auto adjust. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use a certain tab here. Uh, so sorry, I'm going to just squeeze them here, just leaving one column at the beginning. It's not necessary. I'm just making sure my design will be a little good when I'm finishing up this. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this. Let's say B. I'm going to take this cell here and highlight it in yellow. Maybe let's make it blue. Yeah, let's make it blue over there. So and put the text into white if you don't mind. So that's okay. So I'll proceed. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take first the first cell from the header, the top left from the header. I'm going to insert a formula. I just need you to go with me on this one here. So after we finish up, I'm going to explain everything. So I just need you to go with me. Thank you. So I'm going to put a filter option here. And then after that, I'm going to my table here, uh, here. So I'm going to highlight all of this, just to, yeah, just like that. So you see it has appeared the name of our table over there. It's table one actually. Yeah, so I'm going to put a comma here, and then I'm going to choose the column in which I'll be using it as a search extractor. So everything I'm going to search using a reference from a container column. So I'm going to highlight this one, and actually I just want to take a whole column from this table. Yes, from there you see it has appeared the name of the column and the table over there. So what I'm going to do is put a comma, and then I'm going to my search box here, and I'm going to place the cell that you remember I highlighted it with the color. So I'm going to finish up by putting this text right here. This text is going to appear if you're going to insert an element that is not found, yeah, in a container column. So if you put it there, what it will show you, it's IDK, IDK as in I don't know, yeah. So that's what is going to happen. So I'm going to press enter. You see you've entered too many arguments for this. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I just need to come here and yes, replace it with that, and then I'll press enter. Yes. So you just need to be very precise when inserting these formulas. So instead of a comma, instead of is equal to, I just put a comma. That's why the error appeared. So what happens now is I'll just take let's take for example and say let's put the container name Medu. See, sorry, you don't see this clearly, but I'm gonna put it in white. Yeah, you see, Medu still displays IDK. So you see what this formula does, yeah? And I will show you here. You see what this formula does is you have to insert the exactly content that is in a specific cell without leaving any number, any letter, or even space for it to display. To prove you to that, I'm going to enter a whole container number from here. Let me just take, for example, this one. I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here just for reference for you to see. And okay, let me just insert it here. DAIU 63 12 327. You see what happens, right? So you see there's only one container that has that is inserted in this column. Yeah. So as I told you before, this formula, what it does is just it searches only what you write in a search box, and you have to write it exactly how it is written in the table, the one that we are extracting results from. So I'm going to show you how to insert a formula that you don't have to write the exactly word, yeah, the exactly container number for it to give you the result. I'm going to show you the formula that we are going to use. So bear with me and let's go on this. So I'm going to delete all this to here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this formula. So just go with me.